records. Everybody with cam? Anybody without cam will be removed and deemed as absent. Anybody without cam will be removed and he or she will be deemed as absent. Okay, so better you open up a cam or I will remove you in a 2 minutes time. Now, what we are saying is draw. Let me have we opened the mics? Yes, you can open your mic and talk. Anyone can open up mic and talk. Tanzil Qureshi, open up your cam, and Suhaib. Two guys are without cam. Now look here. What I'm saying is, we said we had a latch. Okay, either we use a NOR gate or we use the NAND gate. Okay, let's try to work it out again. So a latch, basically these are the sequential circuits. We call them as the sequential circuits. Why? Because inputs not only come in and give us the outputs, but the previous outputs also come into the inputs to give the current output. So current output is not the function of the current input, but also the previous output. Okay. So if we have NOR gate and we have NAND gate, okay, we can implement our latch using the NOR gate, NAND gate. Everybody sit at one place and don't move. Okay. And those who are not having a camera, open up the camera, like Rayan, Tanzil Qureshi, Suhaib, and Sadaf. These three, Tanzil, Suhaib, and Sadaf, are not having cam. So open them up. Okay. Now what I am saying is, we have a NOR gate and we have a NAND gate implementation of a latch. So what is a latch basically is, if we have a NOR gate, now we have learned it, so you should be telling me about this thing. Okay. So this is my R input and S input, and this is NAND gate. Okay, this is my NAND gate. This is the output. Okay, this is my R and this is my S, and I know there's a latch just coming back to its input, and its latch just coming back to it input, and this is going to be Q and Q complement. This is going to be Q and Q complement, and there is a latch which is coming back to it and back to it. Okay, so output of it is not only dependent on the R, but also on the previous output of this gate. Okay, say this is A gate and this is B gate. Whatever was the previous output of B gate, that is the input of the current input of this A gate, and मिलके वो बनाएंगे output Q का. ठीक है ना? And we have seen that if we talk about this is my AB 0001 1011 and NOR gate, I know NOR gate means OR ka ulta. So if this is A or B complement, that is OR ka ulta, means not of the not of A or B. यानी कि A और B में सिर्फ ये हमारा और जो होता है हमारे पास, सिर्फ ये फॉल्स होता और बाकी सारे ट्रू होते. So उल्टे में क्या होगा? हाँ, open up the mics and tell me. Yes.
सर पहले मैं बारे में वन आएगा.
Whosoever is talking will also give me the names. Also give me the names. I just want to note down the names of those who are talking. Okay? Yes. किसने बोला?
सर मुजम्मिल.
Muzammil Bhatt. Very good. Muzammil Bhatt. Roll number? 25. Yes. I want to note down the names who are actually interacting and telling me the answers. So yes, tell me, beta. क्या बता रहे थे आप? इसमें क्या होगा नॉर्ग में?
सर वन आएगा.
कहाँ पे? ऊपर.
यस सर.
बाकी में क्या आएगा?
जीरो.
जीरो. किसने बोला है? नाम बताओ.
जावेद सर.
जावेद भट्ट.
यस सर.
रोल नंबर 27 है.
यस सर.
और किसने बोला? और कौन बोल रहा था अभी? एहसान. हाँ, एहसान is all the time in my list. एहसान Fayaz, roll number 4. We have also got the. Okay, let me see. I will add up the guys who are talking. Nice. So what is the dialog of the OR gate, NOR gate? NOR gate में मुझे सीधे दिख रहा है कि if तीनों जीरो यहाँ पे है, अगर एक इनपुट 1 है, so if one of the inputs is 1, other input may be 0 or 1, output is going to be 0. So I know this thing, I have this thing. And when I do the excitation of this table, Peer Hashim has come up, excitation of this table, so I say this is my R, this is my S, this is my Q, and this is my Q complement. And if I have here 0, 1, if I have here 0, 1, that means R is 0 and S is 1. Okay, bottom side 1 है ना यहाँ पे. So what will be the output of this? What will be the output of this? Who will tell me? Will it set or reset?
1 0 reset.
Set.
Sir, reset.
Sumaya, huh?
Set.
Sumaya Chesti. Wait, let me. Yes, who is saying is Sumaya Chesti is roll number 29. Ehsan is there. Okay. Who else is saying
Set.
set or reset?
Set. Set.
So it will set. It will set. Can
Set.
anyone tell me in the set what will be the Q and what will be Q complement?
Q
1
is 1.
0.
Q is 1 and Q complement is 0.
1 is 0.
Who is saying Riyan? Riyan 32.
Yes, sir.
Can
Yes,
you
sir.
tell me? Fine, Riyan.
Sir, Q1 and Q complement 0. Sir.
Very good. So I got the Riyan here. Nice. It is roll number 32, right?
Yes,
Good.
sir.
Nice. Okay. So 0 and 1. So now I am saying that we know one of the, what's the dialogue? What is the dialogue here? Who will tell me what is the dialogue for the NOR gate?
If one of the input is 1,
One of
it
the
is
input
0.
is 1.
Output will be 0.
Output will be 0.
If one of the inputs is 1, output will be 0. So if the one of the inputs is 1, output is going to be 0 for sure. Okay. Rabit Makhdumi is coming up. That is nice. But I will not keep your name here, but I will keep your Rabit Makhdumi's name because he is telling us things. That means in the new guys, I say new guys because he has a lot of absence. So I cannot put him in the list of regulars because I want to put the list of regulars who are here. Okay. Why, that you will know, come to know later why I'm putting the list. So this is the 0. All, if one of the inputs is 1, is going to be 0, and this 0 and 0, we know 0 0 is 1, so this will be 1. That means this will set, so this will be Q1, so this will definitely set. When S is 1, R is 0, this is set. When R is 1 and S is 0, now who will tell me, will it set or reset?
Reset.
Reset, huh? Who is saying first? Jaziba, can you tell us? Jaziba, roll number 10.
10.
Are you regular?
Yes, sir.
You are regular, right? Jaziba 10, yes, 5 6, nice. So you are saying this will reset.
Yes,
Where is
sir.
Sadaf and that CR? Sadaf Bhatt, I know one of the girls called name is Sadaf Bhatt. Sadaf Bhatt. Sadaf Bhatt, are you here?
Sir, Sadaf Khan.
Sadaf Khan or whatever. Sadaf Khan, yes, Sadaf Khan. Are you here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Sadaf Khan. Okay, no, I think her name was different. What I was talking about. So can you tell us your regular Sadaf Khan? Can you tell
Yes, sir.
us? Can you tell us will this set or reset if 1 0?
Reset.
It will reset. Very good. Why it resets? Because what will be reset in values Q and Q? What will be values here?
It will 0 and 1.
MashaAllah. Sadaf Khan will know roll number 40. Nice. Nice. Jaziba, I got your name, huh? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Can any among us tell us that if it is, what is the memory state of this gate? Who will tell me? Only
1
raise your
1.
hands.
0.
0 0.
I told you raise
Or
your
1
hands.
1.
You should not be telling me. Who is telling me 2 participants are there? Something. There are some. Is there anyone waiting? लेकिन मुझे message क्या आया यहाँ से? More. Is it a chat or something? Participants में हाँ, Shahbaz has come up. Okay, यही message थी. So who is saying 1 1 and who is saying 0 0?
0 0, sir.
0 sir.
Ifla Shera, yes, I forgot your name. Ifla Shera is all the time coming up with someone. Ifla Shera. Ifla Shera, bolo aap. Ifla Shera. Roll number 22. Yes. Yes, you tell me. It will be 0 0 or 1 1?
0 0.
Very good. 0 0 is a memory state because 1 1 is a memory state of this NAND gate, right? Yes, this is the 0 0. Because if I put up 0 0 here, anytime Zan has come up. If I put up 0 0 here anytime 0 0, it will give me whatever the previous state was. So for example, it was this time set state. If I put up 0 0 here, okay, now this one, we know dialog is about 1 because one of the inputs is 1. So this input is 1 which has come from this side. Okay, it is 1 and 0, 1 and 0. What will be that? Because one of the inputs is 1, it's going to be 0, and 0 0 is 1. So it will remain as set. So that is why we say if it was previously set, it will remain set. So that is why we say it's a memory state, right? And who will tell me about the 1 1 state? What is the 1 1 state of RS flip-flop? I think giving videos, okay, makes the concept clearer. What do you think, Ehsan?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Are they helpful?
Yes, sir. Very helpful.
Basically, I have to put up extra efforts on that. I have to spend at least 1 to 2 hours recording that, then editing that, then putting on YouTube and all those things. I put up a lot of efforts on that, but that is beneficial. I think students are benefited by that. Yes, 1 1 state is what? जो नाम अभी बोले ना, मुजम्मिल भट्ट, जावेद, एहसान, सुमैया, रियान, जाजिबा, सदफ and इफला शेरा, इसके बगैर मुझे बोलेंगे.
Sir,
not
allowed state. Not allowed.
Who is talking? Mahvish.
Yes, sir.
Mahvish is a regular girl, isn't it? Mahvish, 13, 9, 10. Faiba Bhatt ने बोला शायद. Faiba?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is it? Is it not allowed state?
Not allowed. Yes,
Roll
sir.
number 11. हाँ. इसके बगैर कोई और बोलेगा मुझे not allowed है, मैं उसे पूछूंगा कि क्यों not allowed है.
Yes, sir. Not allowed.
अक्साम बोल रही है?
Yes, sir.
अक्साम यासीन. So अक्साम यासीन, इसके बगैर और कोई बोलेगा मुझे not allowed है, क्यों not allowed है? मैं उसे पूछूंगा ये क्यों not allowed है. अगर बोलेगा कोई not allowed है, why is it not allowed?
क्यू का भी और क्यू कॉम्प्लीमेंट का भी.
क्या? हाँ, एहसान बोल रहा है. इसहान,
क्यू कॉम्प्लीमेंट का सेम रहेगा ना वैल्यू? फिर
क्या रहेगा मुझे बताओ.
दोनों का रहेगा ना एक ही. 1 1 अगर हम लेंगे तो 1 0 0 0 रहेगा.
So you are right in saying it 0 0 रहेगा. क्या अगर 1 1 हमने कर दिया यहाँ पे, ताबान has just come up, कि अगर आप बोल रहे हो कि हमने यहाँ पे 1 1 कर दिया, हाँ जी, तो आप क्या बोल रहे हो? What will be the output?
बोथ का रहेगा ना फिर 0 0. क्यू का भी और
Absolutely, because one of the inputs is 1, output is gonna be 0. One of the inputs is 1 0. इसका एक input 1 है, 0, माशाल्लाह. But अगर इसके बाद हम memory state लगाएंगे, सिर्फ आप बताइए मुझे, what was the guy name? Because you are not a regular, but if you add up, if you answer me this question, because you may have seen the video and all, I will add you in this list. So because that depicts that you are a good kid and you should be appreciated. You tell me, what is this 1 1 doing? I'm saying if it is 0 0. Now if I put a memory state here, so it will get me both 0 0, and I'm saying this is a race condition. And why is this race condition? Because if I put here the memory state, what will happen? What will happen? You have to explain that.
0 0.
नहीं, अगर आपने वीडियो देखा तब आपको आएगा, ऐसे थोड़ी आएगा आपको खुद से नहीं आएगा ना. Anyone else other than the list tell me about this thing?
Sir, वो depend करता है.
Ravid Makhdoumi, tell me, I will get you. Who is saying? Yeah, Aksam?
Yes, sir.
Aksam, I got you in the list. I want others to talk, okay? Can anyone other than the list I made tell me what will happen? Adnan Mehraj. Yes. Anyone tell me if I put after this 1 1, which is getting me 0 0, so breaking this Q and Q complement stuff. Okay. That's the one thing. The second thing is if I put a memory state on it, okay. If I put a memory state on it, then what will it give?
Sir,
But
it depends on speed.
Yes.
ना?
Huh?
Sir, speed पे depend करेगा ना कौन सा वाला पहला जाएगा.
Who is talking?
Sir, अगर previous
I'm not getting. Well, first tell me what's your name. Who is talking? Ehsan?
Sir,
Ehsan? अच्छा,
Sir.
Ehsan is doing. Yes. और कोई बोल रहा है?
सर अगर previous output 0 होगा तो 0 0 1 होगा.
सोहेल मकबूल बोल रहा है. हाँ बोलो बेटा, क्या बोल रहे हैं आप?
Previous output अगर 0 होगा तो 0 0 1 होगा.
Previous output अगर 0 0 0 ही है previous output, क्योंकि because अगर जब हमने 1 1 किया, इससे पहले हमने किया ना 1 1 यहाँ पे, जब मैंने 1 1 किया आउटपुट 0 0 है. अब मैं मेमोरी स्टेट लगा रहा हूँ 0 0, तो होगा क्या?
सर दोनों में
सर,
से जो तेज जाएगा तो उसी हिसाब से,
क्या होगा बताओ, क्या इसका मतलब, क्या उसके साथ क्या होगा?
अगर नीचे वाला जाएगा
तो हो गया
पहले,
मतलब, चलो नीचे, दैट मींस वन ऑफ द टू गेट्स हैज टू बी फास्टर, दे कांट बी
One
यू
of
नो
the-
सेम। सो मान
they
लीजिए फर्ज
can't-
कीजिए बी गेट फास्टर है, देन जैसे कि आप, ये ऐसा होता है कि जैसे कि आपने 2 स्कूटीज लाई, आपने एक ही कंपनी से 2 स्कूटी लाई जुपिटर की, ठीक है ना, ये हम नहीं बोल सकते कि बिल्कुल दोनों स्कूटी सेम होगी, कभी एक का फॉल्ट भी हो सकता है, एक का प्लग ही शॉर्ट हो गया, हालांकि सेम कंपनी से सेम डे निकली है, लेकिन थोड़ी फर्क दोनों में कुछ ना कुछ जरूर होगी, वो सेम नहीं हो सकता। इसी तरीके से अगर 2 गेट्स मैंने बनाए हैं, इनमें कोई फर्क है, फर्ज कीजिए ये फास्टर है, तो क्या होगा?
सर कौन सा वाला, नीचे वाला या
मान
ऊपर
लीजिए
वाला?
बी गेट फास्टर है,
सर तो फिर आएगा ना, फिर आएगा Q1 और Q कॉम्प्लीमेंट आएगा 0
कैसे?
सर, क्योंकि उसका आउटपुट जाएगा ना इसमें इनपुट।
तो अगर
Q
ये, हाँ तो
वाले
सो ये 0 यहाँ पे आएगा, 0 1 इज क्या बनेगा यहाँ पे?
is 0।
नहीं, फिर से बता, अगर ये गेट फास्टर है तो ये 0 है ना, तो ये 0 यहाँ से गया इस गेट को, और ये 1, 0 एंड 1 क्या बनेगा यहाँ पे?
0
If one of the inputs is 1, what is going to be output? Right. कंफ्यूज नहीं हो आप, ठीक है, ये 0 बनेगा, ठीक है,
Yes.
और ये क्या बनेगा?
फिर ये बनेगा 1, क्योंकि हमने इसमें लिया है ना 0 मेमोरी स्टेट।
वेरी गुड। सो इसलिए मैं यही बता रहा था कि अभी ये 1 नहीं है, ये 0 है, तो दिस इज 0 0, वी आर टेकिंग 0 0 नाउ, न्यू इनपुट्स। सो अब ये 0 यहाँ से आ रहा है, और 0 0 क्या बनेगा?
0 0 बनेगा 1।
हो गया ना कंफ्यूज, मैं यही आपसे पूछ रहा था। सो ये 1 बनेगा, अब ये 1 यहाँ से 0 पे आएगा तो क्या बनेगा?
0
So 0. So
Zero.
that means, is it set or reset? Ihsan told me only.
सर सेट।
It is set. So इसका मतलब है कि अगर ये गेट फास्टर हुआ तो it is set.
अगर
अब
दूसरा
अगर ये
वाला
गेट फास्टर हुआ, अब अगर ये गेट फास्टर हुआ तो
रीसेट होगा।
कैसे बताओ?
सर फिर अपोजिट होगा ना उसमें।
नहीं, इसको बताओ काम करके। मैं
सर,
कह रहा
अगर
था ये, मैं कह रहा था ये 0 0 है इनिशियली, क्योंकि जब 1 1 स्टेट हमारा था तो ये 0 0 हो गया था। अब हमने 0 0 स्टेट लगा दिया ना।
0 0
हाँ।
is 1।
अब
सर, नीचे
अब अगर
बनेगा
ये गेट
0
फास्टर है, अब अगर ये गेट फास्टर है, ये 0 यहाँ से आएगा, इसको
0 0 होगा, नीचे से होगा 1 और ऊपर से होगा
ये
फिर
बनेगा
0।
1 1 और 0 यहाँ से आएगा, ये 1 आएगा यहाँ से, और 1 and 0 is 0. So this will be 0 1. Will it set or reset?
रीसेट।
So that means, or at 0 0 state it will set or it will reset, depending upon what?
Speed of the
Which gate is faster?
Which gate is faster? So if the gates, so is it a reliable state? It is not a reliable state, because we can't tell if it will set or reset. It depends upon a luck, and this is called as what condition?
race condition।
So is it allowed?
No, sir.
This is not allowed. This is not allowed. Nice. Now let us talk about the NAND gate. Let's talk about NAND gate. Let me see who is talking. This is my NAND gate. And those who have talked, I want them to be quiet, who are in the list. What was the name of this guy? Ehsan. You are not regular, but I will not keep you in this list, which I have created just for regulars. But I definitely will keep you in the Ehsan. What is your roll number? 16. Because the attendance and the class performance also has marks. You should know that. There are at least 5 marks for class performance and attendance. So definitely the list I am making will get 5 out of 5 before giving exam. Because if they have attendance. But Ehsan has not, I don't think he has attendance, but class performance is good. Even though he has here few classes, that means he has seen the video, he's learning. And Rian also perhaps in that, I put up a Rian, I don't know Rian, if it is regular, he will go into that list, 5 marks list. But if he's not regular, then he will go to the Ehsan's list, where he will definitely get at least 4 or 3 marks. Okay, let me see to that. So the class performance होती है ना, class performance और attendance के marks होते हैं, इसके 5 marks होते हैं। कितने? There are 5 marks to the class performance attendance. यानी कि आप एग्जाम में कुछ भी नहीं करो, आपको 5 marks तब भी मिलेंगे। 30 में से 5 marks मिल गए आपको, ठीक है? So the list I am making is, this is not just a list, this is the 5 marks list. You are getting it. And I am putting Rabiz Makhdoumi ने भी कुछ बोला हमें यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा, That means he is interested, because I want to appreciate those who are coming up. And if they do good in the internal marks, so I will add them into this. अगर आपने इन बच्चों ने जो कि लेफ्ट में मैं लिस्ट बना रहा हूँ, अगर इन लोगों ने अच्छा ये इंटरनल में किए तो I will put them in the list with the regulars. मंशा भट्ट की मैं बात कर रहा था, हाँ वो अब आ गई. मंशा भट्ट जो मेरे ये था इसमें, that should be in the list. मंशा भट्ट should be in the list because she is the regular student. आज वो थोड़ी सी देर से आई, I don't know why.
सर मैं नेटवर्क की वजह से मुझे ब्रेक हो रहा था इसीलिए.
अच्छा आपने रीज्वाइन किया ना? हाँ
यस सर.
yes मंशा भट्ट should be in the list of 5 marks जो कि ये करते हैं, ठीक है ना? Anyways, हाँ मंशा भट्ट आपने भी किसी का चीज का आंसर नहीं दिया मेरे ख्याल से. So you have to show us your class performance na? So this is my NAND gate and I know this is the feedback loop coming here and it's a feedback loop coming here, and this is my R and this is my S and this is my Q and this is my Q complement. I know NAND gate is A and B 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, and NAND gate means AND ka ulta, A and B ka complement, and I know that in the NAND implementation I have the dialog something, because AND will give only 1 0 all the times here 0 and only 1 here. And what will NAND do? NAND will put was, yes, tell me.
Sir, if one of them is 0,
राबित मखदूमी आप बोलो मुझे. हाँ सिर्फ राबित मखदूमी बोलेगा.
if one of the input is 0, the output will be 1.
So that means it will be all ones here, right? And only situation when it will be 0 is here.
0.
Very good, माशाल्लाह. देखो जो यहाँ पे मुजम्मिल भट्ट है, जावेद, एहसान, सुमैया, रेयान, जाजिबा, सदफ, इफला, शेरा, महविश, फाइबा, भट्ट, अक्साम, यासीन, मंशा भट्ट भी लिस्ट में है लेकिन वो अभी बोलेगी, लेकिन और राबित मखदूमी, रेयान और एहसान. रेयान का रोल नंबर क्या है? रेयान का अच्छा वो 32. हाँ वो मैंने लिया, ठीक है. That is here actually. इनके बगैर बोलेंगे, जो इनके बगैर बच्चे बचते हैं उनको मैं देखूंगा कि वो क्या उन्होंने क्या कितना पढ़ा है इसमें.
सर
और हमारी
Sir?
सीआर है ना, उसका नाम क्या है? What is the CR's name? She's not here. I want to put it in the list. हाँ एहसान सीआर का नाम महरूश. It is महरूश. हाँ
नो सर.
महरिश वो नहीं आई आज. She is not in the class today. Okay. अच्छा इनके बगैर बच्चे बोलेंगे, ठीक है ना? जिनका नाम मैंने लिया वो नहीं, उनके बगैर. जैसे सुहेल मकबूल कुछ बोल रहे थे, मुझे सुनाई नहीं दिया. अभी इसमें वो ट्राई करेंगे, so that I will get him in some kind of a list. अच्छा मैम मुझे ये बताएं कि आपका जब R यहाँ पे 1 होगा और यहाँ पे 0 होगा, that is this is R and this is S, this is 1 now 0 and Q complement and state. Now tell me when the R is 1 and S is 0, should it set or reset? सिर्फ बाकी बच्चे बोलेंगे. हाँ
सर सेट.
Who is saying? Nighat Farooq. I think you are regular, right?
यस सर.
Yes, you are regular. Nighat Farooq. हाँ बेटा बोलो इसके बारे में. ये आप बोल रहे कि ये सेट होगा, तो अगर ये सेट होगा तो क्या होगा इसमें?
सर 1 0 आएगा.
माशाल्लाह ये 1 0 आएगा. Very good. Can anyone add up in it कि क्यों 1 0 आएगा ये?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I'm not a regular student. You have kept me in the regular group. Mahvish.
You are not a regular student?
No. I had
Okay.
to stop.
So what are you saying?
So you have kept me in a regular group.
Mahvish. Where is I kept you? I don't think. Oh yeah, Mahvish. Don't worry. You can speak up, okay? Mahvish, you can speak up if you know. That's nice. If student is coming and reading and learning, even though he or she is not regular, मेरा काम एज ए टीचर है कि आपको ऊपर उठाना. जो ऊपर उठ गया तो उसको और धक्का देना है ऊपर उठने का, नीचे करने का नहीं है मुझे, है ना? So if you are not regular, but I feel that you are behaving in a good way, you are coming up, you are learning, I should push you up, inshallah. That's so nice of you and saying it and being honest. That's a great thing that you have shown your honesty. I must appreciate that thing first. MashaAllah. May Allah bless you. Now tell me, anybody tell me, why is this, how is it set? Because it is 1 and 0. Because what is the dialog in the NAND? If one of the inputs is, but those guys will tell me who are not in the list. If one of the inputs is 0, output is going to be 1.
1.
1.
Yes, who is saying?
Sir, मैं.
Mansha Bhatt, yeah, tell me about this. Yes, Mansha. I was waiting for you. Because if this is 0, output is going to be
1.
1. So this 1 1 will come from here, and 1 1 will come up here. What will be the output of 1 1?
0.
0.
0. Who is saying? Suhail Maqbool is saying, right?
Yes, sir.
Nice, nice. So 0 1 means set or reset.
Sir, ये reset है ना? Sir, ये reset है ना?
So this is not set. No, I have written as set. This is reset. 0 1 is reset. Okay, 0 1 is a reset. So we got a couple of guys here. One is Mansha, but is always here. Roll number is your 26. And we got in the left list also this guy, Suhail Maqbool. Roll number क्या बेटा आपका 50 ना? What's the roll number?
26 है मेरा roll number.
83. हाँ, सुहेल मकबूल का नेम है आपका. आपको तो मुझे पता है. आपका 26 है ना? Mansha Bhatt का 26. Mansha Bhatt, you are a regular student or a very good student. I know that. Even though you don't reply, I know you are a very good student of this class. So
Sir, आज थोड़ा network problem था.
I understand. Okay, voice break हो रही है, but don't worry. We will. I know ना कौन student क्या है. So anyways, so that means if I have a 1 0 here, I am giving now chance to those guys who have just joined. Like we have come up like Ishan. Ishan roll number 6 has come up with nice replies. MashaAllah. May God bless you, Ishan. इसी तरह से पढ़ना है क्योंकि मैंने आपको वीडियोस दिए हैं ऑलरेडी. देखो मैंने हार्ड वर्क की हुई है अपने तरीके से. अगर किसी भी बच्चे को क्लास मिस होता है, फर्ज किया उसने एक भी क्लास नहीं दी, क्या उसकी क्लास मिस है? You can go anytime on YouTube and watch it. मैंने इंतजाम कर रखा है, तो मैंने अपनी जिम्मेवारी जो है बखूबी निभाई है, मतलब पूरी तरह से निभाई है. क्योंकि अगर मैं अभी आपको जो आपको मिस भी हो रहा है किसी बंदे को, वो जाके वो देख सकता है. कोई भी क्लास मिस नहीं है ना. अगर आप फिर भी नहीं देखोगे, फिर भी अपने आप को स्ट्रांग नहीं करोगे, तो फिर उसमें मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता. जैसे कि आपके राबित मखदूमी है, राबिन है इसका नाम. ये मुझे कमजोर बच्चा दिखता है, लेकिन इसने आज आंसर दिए कुछ. दैट हाउ? इसने वीडियोस देखे हैं, ठीक है ना. ही हैज कम अप. सो कमजोर सारे होते हैं, मैं भी कमजोर ही था. सबको कहाँ कॉन्सेप्ट होता है. फिर कमजोरी दूर कैसे होते हैं? जब हम मेहनत करेंगे. अगर हम मेहनत के लिए तैयार ही नहीं है तो फिर उसमें क्या कर सकते हैं. ओके, एनीवेज, सो वेरी गुड. So if it is now 0, let us do it quickly now. If it is 0 1, what will be? Will it be set or reset? पहले मैं जो बच्चे नहीं बोले हैं वो बोलना चाहूंगा मैं. Will it be set or reset?
Reset.
Who is saying?
Reset.
बोल कौन रहा है भाई? नाम क्या है? मुझे दिख नहीं रहा.
Adnan.
हाँ?
Adnan.
अदनान महराज. अदनान महराज, आप तो शायद रेगुलर हो ना?
Yes, sir.
यार रेगुलर. हाँ, आप बता मुझे यार, मैंने आपको लिस्ट में ही नहीं रखा अभी. हाँ, अदनान महराज कहाँ गया?
Yes,
अदनान
sir.
यार मेरा, आप कहीं पर चले गए आप यार. हाँ, यहाँ है अदनान महराज. हाँ बेटा बोलो. You should tell me.
Yes, sir.
If it is 0
Yes, sir.
1, so you are saying this will set or reset?
Reset.
This is 0 1. Will it set or reset? I'm telling you again.
Set.
Because S is 1, R is 0.
Sir, set.
It will set, not reset. Why?
Sir, ये हो गया.
कोई बात नहीं बेटा, आप आराम से, कोई मसला नहीं. It is very nice you have come up with the answer. पहली बात तो यही अप्रिशिएशन की है कि आप आंसर कर रहे हो, ठीक है ना. आप एफर्ट्स ले रहे हो ना. कोई बात नहीं, मैं हूं ना इसलिए हेल्प करने के लिए. आप घबराओ नहीं. ओके, बताओ कैसे. What is in the chat? Sadaf is saying, Aman is saying something. यार आप पहले 2-3 क्लास से नहीं थी, इसलिए मैं नहीं आ रहा. मुझे कोविड है इसलिए बात ही नहीं चढ़ रही. प्लीज सॉरी फॉर दिस. Who is this? Aman somebody. Aman is saying R0 S1 को 1 0 आएगा set. Very good. Shabash Aman. Nice. Aman is saying right answer to the previous question. and then there is a Sadaf. This is so nice, Aman. So nice of you, Aman. What's your name? Aman. Roll number 37. I've noted down. This is really great. And then there is a Sadaf. Sadaf Khan. Is this Sadaf Khan who is saying set? इसमें memory state 1 है. Very good, Aman. Where is Aman? Where is he? Where is